This far side.
It's up to you, boss.
Try to push him.
You're the man here.
Try to push him in the middle.
I'm gonna try to stay in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
So we're gonna have to cover you. So.
Yeah, I don't want him to be by himself though.
I'm gonna go over there.
All right, so you go left middle.
I'll take him.
All right, so
I got his cover.
if you want, you can go like right middle, right here.
All right, brother, you got the side?
I'm gonna go right here. Back right corner. Go. What do you see on left?
Something happened.
Yo, what do you see on left? I don't know what he's doing. Our left is pushing up.
All right, keep me. I got this.
Yeah, this is out. Yeah, our left is out.
I got you. I'm pushing across. I need help on the left.